Guys, you know that cloud there? It's blue. I've never seen that in the UK before. Let's point over where to the lightning where it could happen. Or a big thunder there. We can get a huge bolt if we get lucky. This is a proper storm. Look at that. I mean, what is that? I've never seen that before in my existence. There's been some strong thunder today. I mean, there's not even really much energy. Imagine there was energy. That's mad. There's a larger pressure system though. Yeah, I've never seen blue coloration before. That is rare. I don't see that in the UK. It's chucking it down in there now. Yeah, but that's developing. It's probably going to fuse with the other storm. There's not going to be a tornado in this, right? No way, yeah? No, I don't believe it. Oh, that was another flash, wasn't it? Well, I'm just bugging. This is a beautiful looking storm, probably the best I've seen this entire year so far, which is strange. I've never seen clouds like that before. Not done lightning. We had an amazing bolt earlier. I mean, it shook the house. Oh, yes. I hope I got that. Good bolt on camera there. This is a perfect time to get big bolts on camera. This storm's dropping some serious bolts, man. I've never seen cloud formations like that before. That is mad. It's blue. Blue coloration means a lot of rain. Imagine that's a wall cloud. I don't think so though. I highly doubt it. Was that another one? I'm just bugging, and I could be bugging. There's more rain over there, under that cloud there. It's probably got some lightning as well. Yeah, I'm in the perfect spot to get fun lightning on camera. Sadly, it's not very active though. But when it does drop something, it's big. I didn't think I was going to get anything like this today. Well, clearly you shouldn't have kept there was going to be thunderstorms because they were wrong. They were right at first, but then you changed it, which is stupid. There was even hail in this as well. It wasn't big, but it was hail. Oh, yeah. That was a good flash on camera there. Boom. Another good bolt. Imagine it could be a tornado under there. That cloud looks interesting, but it's not. I've seen a funnel, I think, a couple of days ago, but yeah, this cloud's probably fusing. It's chucking it down there now, but if there was a tornado, I wouldn't see it. But I'm gonna be sitting here for a while. After when this storm passes, there's not gonna be anything for a while, or at all. Every time this drops line, there's been a proper bowl. Yeah, as you can see, the rain's fusing with this entire thing now. Anyway, any area that's not covered in rain is over there. Because that's the other cell which we got hit by. So, oh, that was another flash. And then the other cell here looks almost stronger than that cell. This might have developed, but I definitely saw another flash again. It's moving away though, so we'll get less loud. Great. Don't mind that noise. This year's been very active thunderstorms. I've been recording. Oh, there was another bolt again. That was a lot quicker than the other one. I'm getting where every single bolt's happening. That strong shower there is probably absolutely throwing it down in there. I'm struggling to keep my hands holding this now. Problem is, I can't move. It's gonna be a while until this moves out of the way. There's thunder, not as loud as it was before. It's probably the most touches I've gotten this entire season through this storm. Even it's not even. What the hell was that? I think that was a whistle from a train, I think. I'm gonna keep my eyes on it. Yeah, this storm is the nicest looking storm I've seen so far this year.
None of it's about now, is it?
Yeah, I've been seeing it bolts though, and I just saw another one there.
Yeah. Just don't drop the tablets out the window.
I won't. So I hope there's some storm chasers chasing this. Well, I was a little bit louder there. I'm gonna close the door real quick.